Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can set Fibonacci retracement on MetaTrader for mobile app. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader for mobile app. Then make sure you are in chart. Then after that, click on any place here on the chart and go and choose this one, these icons. Okay, click on it. Then go and click on the plus here. Now scroll down until you see Fibonacci and choose this one, Fibonacci retracement. Now go to your chart and click and drag it, as you can see here. So this is my Fibonacci, as you can see. If you want to change the levels here, just click on it like this 2 times, and you will see the pen here. Click on it and scroll down. You will see here the level. You can change the color if you want, and you can change the level. So click on the pen, and as you can see, these are the levels. Also, you can delete a level if you want. So let's say I want to delete this one, this level. Just click on the trash icon and choose that level. So let's say this one and this one and this one, this one, this one. Click on delete. Okay, now let's go back, click done, and as you can see, we deleted all those levels. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.